to pass over time. Can you hear the voices singing there above the horizon in the west? Have you ever heard this song before? Sounds like there is another world. Can you hear the voices singing there beyond the edge of memories? I heard this song before my birth, when I was just a little seed. All in the darkness, but bright is her face, looking at me, smiling so tenderly. All in my happiness I surely find the reason why I am here. Come to me, come into my dream, while I slumber on the ground. Come to me, once in my life, touch my hand just when I sleep. Can you hear the voices calling there above the horizon in the west? Have you ever heard this call before? Sounds like there is another world. Can you hear the voices calling there beyond the edge of memories? I heard this call before my birth, when I was just a little seed. All in the quiet but clear is her voice, showing the truth, smiling so tenderly. All in my happiness I surely find the reason why I am here. Let me go under your wings, where I take a rest again. Let me go some other time, when the next life begins. Can you see the voices coming here through the forest in the mist? Have you ever seen the sight before? Seems like there is another world. Can you see the voices coming here toward the garden in front of me? I saw this sight before my birth, when I was just a little seed.